Hello guys, this is YouTube Duck Channel 109. We will react to my mom's amazing video by Smosh. Let's watch this, guys.
I'm gonna use Comic Sans font in everything I write. Shut up! What is this? It's a love letter from that hot girl in your yoga class. Sweet! Hey, this isn't a love letter. Okay, so it's actually a script for a video my mom wants us to be in.
Yep. So, do you think you guys could help?
Why do you even want to make a video?
It's for a contest, and the grand prize winner gets to be the 4th member of the Butterfinger Defense League and wins $20,000.
She needs the money to buy a recording studio. It's been her lifelong dream to make a record. Give him a sample, Mom. Oh my god, that was like the voice of an angel. So what'd you think? It's got platinum hit written all over it.
I'll buy you guys milkshakes afterwards.
Okay.
Ian's mom's unique skill, Pink Flamingo Attack. 3 situations you will almost certainly encounter in your life, and if you didn't know how to get out of these situations, you would be very sad. Written and directed by Ian's mom. Situation 1, Kitchen Thieves.
Hand us the Butterfinger bar, or we'll have you sleeping on fishes.
Yeah, a little known fact is that with practice and just the right touch, blonde flamingos make great boomerangs.
Ha! You missed me. Yeah. Adios mío!
Situation 2, Candy Bandits.
Goodbye, Mother. There are wild candy bandits in the field, and they are grass-type bandits, and they are weak against fire attacks.
Oh, goodbye, honey. No, Mom. Mom, it's not. No, I don't want to do it. I don't want to. No, Mom.
Hand over that Butterfinger bar, or else.
Or else what?
Or I'll flick your son in the nipple.
Never negotiate with terrorists. Go ahead. I don't care.
Ow, my nipple!
Hi-ya!
Ow, my remaining nipple!
Situation number 3, aliens!
Give us the Butterfinger bar or face destruction!
90% of aliens have a weakness to water, even though that really makes no sense, because why would you come to a world full of something that would kill you? That's like humans inhabiting a planet full of lava. Hi-ya!
Oh, my only weakness! That and lizard rabies! I'm melting! Oh!
Ha! You missed me!
Oh!
And that is why I should be the 4th member of the Butterfinger Defense League, because nobody's gonna lay a finger on my Butterfinger. Now it says I have to go to g4tv.com/Butterfinger Defense League to submit my video.
Right.
But where's the mailing address? This is on a VHS tape.
No, Mom. You go on that site and you upload it on your computer.
Oh, and it says the entry has to be under 60 seconds long. Crap.
So, milkshake time?
Yep. Milkshake, dancing with my milkshake, baby, oh yeah, dancing with my milkshake, oh
Ow! What the freaking heck, Mom? To see the full milkshake music video, go to smosh.com.
milkshake, dancing with my milkshake, baby,
Thanks for the subscribing.
with my milkshake, oh
That's it, guys. That's the video of Smosh. My mom's amazing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.